I hear people saying, I work, but I don't know where the money goes. Money does not stay in my hands. I find it difficult to save money, or how can I attract more wealth or more money into my life? Yes, I found myself saying one of these things before. And there is one principle from the Bible that I would like to share with you today. And I can assure you that this will really help you out. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. It has been a while, and it's a pleasure for me to connect with you once again. If today is your first time being here, you are very welcome. On this channel, I share spiritual tips, meditation, law of attraction, and more. So I invite you to join the family by subscribing to the channel so that we can learn a lot more together. So today we are going to talk about a golden rule or principle from the Bible that will help you to generate positive karma of prosperity. In other words, this will help you to attract more money into your life. What is that principle? The Bible calls it tithe. Yes, that's right, tithe. I know so many people, because of one reason or the other, they do not like tithing at all. But first of all, what is tithing? What is tithe? When we say tithe, what is it? Tithe is the 10th part of your income. The 10th part of your income. Yes, that is tithe. That is what we call tithe, which means that if your income is, for example, $100 per week or per month, your tithe is $10. Okay, some people will ask me, so how this is going to make me attract more prosperity? I will just ask you to watch the video till the end, and you are going to learn more about tithing. Now, the biggest misunderstanding is, who do you give your tithe to? And I will tell you that this really depends on your belief. But as far as I am concerned, you should give your tithe to someone really in need. Yes, so you can give your tithe to a charitable organization. You can choose to give your tithe to a widow or an orphan. You can give your tithe to a family who is going through difficult time. This is a kind of donation that you have to do on a regular basis to help your spiritual growth and create more positive karma of prosperity. You know, the universe has its own rules. Okay, as we say, you reap what you sow, and these are not just words. You truly reap what you sow. And if you are expecting money from the universe, you should be able to give to others. Anytime you give to somebody, the universe will reward you 100-fold. You cannot expect money from the universe if you are not able to give. That's not possible. Don't remain a receiver, because you will find yourself in the same position for the rest of your life. Yes, that's a fact. There is blessing in giving, and we hear that every day, don't we? If you are a religious person, there is nothing wrong about that. There are some religious body that really use the tithe given to them to help others. Okay, so if you are really confused about who to give your tithe to, you can give it to your church or your mosque or your any religious body that you belong to. they are going to find the needy on your behalf. Tithing is something you have to take really serious and start practicing if you are not yet practicing that. This has really helped me in my life, and tithing is not something you do once in a while or when you feel like and expect something to happen in your life. No, you have to be consistent. You have to give your tithe regularly. It should be part of your habit, it should be part of your life. Anytime you have an income or anytime you earn something, this should be the first thing you do. And you will realize that when you start practicing tithe, you will be more disciplined about your finances. You will not use your money anyhow. You will not be an eternal borrower. Okay, your money will stay in your hands and you will be able to do something reasonable with your income. Imagine if you are able to always put 10% of your income aside to help as a donation to help people in need. If this really become part of your habit, it will be more easier for you to even save some money. You will not find yourself spending money anyhow on unnecessary things, you know. Sometimes you tell yourself, oh, my income is not enough. My income is not, I cannot give 10% out. It's too much. When I start earning more, I will start giving my tithe, or I will start giving 10% to anybody in need. My dear, you are lying to yourself, because if you don't have the habit to do it now, you will not be able to do that in the future, even when you earn more money. Yes. If you study well, people who own charity organizations, okay, or people who help others through their foundations, people who use part of their wealth to help others around them, or people who are really imparting life, okay, with their wealth, the universe always provide for them. They keep making more money to improve more lives. These people understood earlier the golden rule of the universe, the rule of giving. Okay, yes, you must give in proportion to what you want to receive. Finally, I will tell you to say a prayer or to say just a mantra on your tithe or your donation before giving it out. You can just ask the universe to create or generate more positive karma of prosperity for you through this tithe, through your tithe or through your donation. Do this regularly and observe money flows to you throughout your life. It was really a pleasure for me to share this with you, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all my new videos. Love and light to you all. Namaste.